Today I'm at RSPB Saltholme. It's World Migratory Bird Day, Global Birding Day. This is the place to come. It's in the northeast and it's one of the best places to spot migrating birds. You never know what's going to drop in here. So I'm just up at the viewpoint looking down over the reed beds, and then I'm going to have a walk down to the wetlands. What a beautiful place. So if you can get outside, even if it's just for 10 minutes today, get yourself outside. You never know what you're going to see.